Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For a free of charge guidance, please visit www.godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
Everybody okay? Okay. You feel good? Yes. Perfect, everything? Yes. Yeah, just a few days. Whatever happened, make the best of it, hey? Yes. So this here. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, my God. Okay. Your question. Christina. Where is Christina? Huh? Yeah. This is your question, yeah? Good. Tell me.
The question was, what is last year, the turning point?
Yeah?
I think, as you say, in March 2012.
Yeah.
Yes, and I want to know, the turning point was last year, while
Yeah.
you know that the karma was very high,
Yeah.
and now it says it's changed.
Sprichst du Deutsch? Oder?
Ja.
Ja, sprich Deutsch.
Ja. Ob du das durchkämpfen musstest. Die Galaktische Föderation, also so habe ich es erzählt bekommen. Und
Ich habe gar nicht an die
okay.
Galactic Federation erwähnt.
Ah, okay.
Ja, jemand hat gefragt, ob es sowas gibt.
Ja, und
bisher alles, wer helfen kann, hat schon geholfen. Okay?
Genau, ja.
Ja, ansonsten kämpfte ich allein.
Genau, und es war nicht so.
Okay?
Ja.
Und was ist deine Frage? And the earth? This is my earth. Ja, da sagt man sowas so. This is my house, this is my Kleidung, aber das ist nicht gemeint, das ist mein. Okay? Ja, das sagt jemand, das sagt alles so. Das ist mein Haus, meine Kleidung, meine Leute, aber das ist gar nichts, gar nicht so ernst gemeint. Ja? Gar nichts ist mein, gar nichts ist dein, gar nichts ist Ehre. Nix. Aber was ist deine Frage?
Ja, ich konnte da viel auch sehen in der Zeit.
Ja?
Und dachte, ich habe deine Sachen vielleicht auch gesehen, die du durchmachen musstest.
Aha, du hast in deiner Vision?
Ja.
Was hast du gesehen?
Oh Gott, schlimme Sachen.
Schlimmer, ha?
Ja, es war nicht schön.
Schlimmer für die Menschen, schlimmer
das
für
war-
die Welt, für die Planet oder für mich?
Nee, das ging um, dass du es wieder abbringen musstest, sozusagen die andere Seite besiegen musstest, sozusagen.
Ja, aber das ist nicht so schlimm.
War nicht so schlimm.
Ich bin noch am Leben,
Ja,
no?
ich weiß. Gut.
Oder?
Ja.
Meinst du, bin ich da? Ja, konnte
Okay,
nicht
war's
so
okay.
schlimm sein.
Gut.
Und sowieso, was auch immer, ist schon vorbei.
Ja.
Vorbei. Und jetzt müssen wir nur weiter marschieren. Ne? Weiter und höher marschieren. Alles besser geworden. Und besser werden. Okay? Du auch, ich auch, alle auch. Ja? Gratuliere. Ja. Das war deine Frage.
Ja, thank
Ob
you.
wir das schaffen können?
Ja, es war ja schon. Aha.
Wir schon geschafft.
Ist schon geschafft.
Schon
Ja.
geschafft.
Okay.
Ja. Aber das war nur das Schlimmste. Ja.
Richtig.
Das heißt gar nicht, dass wir schon fertig.
Nee, ich weiß.
Ja, schon fertig gemacht, noch nicht.
Nee.
Ich glaube, nee, nicht so schnell. Ja? Weil die Menschen immer noch leiden müssen.
Genau.
Ne? Und wir nicht so viele Leute hochgestiegen. Nicht, doch, aber nicht viel genug und nicht hoch genug für mich. Meiner Meinung nach ist nicht hoch genug. Du, bist du schon hoch jetzt?
Okay.
5., 4., 3., 4. Nicht schlecht.
Okay.
Ja.
Danke.
Dankeschön, Christina.
Danke.
Gibt noch was? No, okay. Ja? Tracy, Singapore. How are you, La?
Good.
Good, La, yeah? Yeah, that's the Singaporean. It's Singlish. You always have to say La at the end. Yeah. How are you, La? Yeah. Are you beautiful, La? Yeah. Okay, La. What's La? What's going on, La? What's your question, La?
It's not a question, it's an update. Although I live in Singapore, I'm also Malaysian. I spent a lot of time in Malaysia, managing Loving Heart.
It's the same, Malaysia, Singapore,
Yeah,
originally together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the first time, Malaysia will be hosting the 41st World Veg Fest in Kuala Lumpur together with the 6th Asian Vegetarian Congress
Wow.
to be held in October.
Wow.
So we have been supported by the health ministers who is a vegetarian. The new health ministers is also a vegetarian.
Oh,
Yeah.
bless them too. Bless Malaysia and Singapore, both.
The ex health ministers in Singapore was a vegetarian too.
Yeah?
Yeah. So the ministers, Dr. Sri Leo Tong Lai is also frequently visit our Loving Heart very often, few times a month.
Oh, really? Is he
loves-
vegetarian?
He's a full-time vegetarian and the family also vegetarian.
Wow.
And he has promised to sponsors like 200 doctors to attend the veg. We call it veg because it's vegetarian and vegan.
And vegan, yeah.
So we use the word veg. It
Yes.
used to be held every 3 years once. Now we decided to do it every year now.
Wow.
Yeah, the next one will be in Brazil.
Tough. Yeah, working hard. Bless your countries, both. Yeah. Then,
So we will be working hard these 2 months to make it a very successful
wow.
event.
Wow, and you're still
And
here.
Loving Heart will be one of the main sponsor for the food.
Ah, wonderful.
For this event.
Wonderful. Do you need any financial help or something? Are you okay?
It should be okay.
Okay. Oh, wonderful. Yeah. Can we support, coming with the mouth and empty stomach?
If possible, more people who participate in this event will be very good.
Yeah. When I was younger, I went to your countries,
Yeah.
respectively. And that was the first real vegetarian meal I ever had during all that trip. Yeah. Through Thailand, Buddhism, or Cambodia, whatever, don't have nothing for me.
We have a lot of varieties.
Yeah, when
good
I go to
varieties.
Singapore, Malaysia, just on the street. Yeah, you got fried noodle, vegetarian noodle.
We have a lot of fine dining vegetarian restaurant in Malaysia. too.
Yeah, not just restaurant, but even on the street, you find things vegetarian to eat. So easy. I was surprised.
In fact, on the Veg Fest, 120 stores already fully sold.
sold?
120 stores. People exhibit at the stores to promote vegetarianism. 120 stores already fully sold.
Congratulations.
30,000 coupon also sold.
Oh, wonderful.
Fully supported by the Yi Guan Dao also.
Good for you. 一贯道, 佛道, 天主道, whatever 道, vegetarian is 道. Good 道.
In fact, the ex-health minister he told me that he was very pleased that he can easily find vegetarian restaurant in Korea. He just look for a loving heart.
Korea? Oh,
He loves Korean vegetarian.
wonderful. Wonderful. Ginseng, a lot. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you,
For
thank
good news. Yeah. Wonderful. Ron. 2R. Ron. Singapore. Yeah. How many R actually is here? 2. Yeah. Okay, then I pronounce correctly, right? Ron. Singapore. Yeah.
Hi, Master. It's very nice to see you. It's my first time actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You like me?
Love you actually.
Love at first sight. Thank you very much. Everybody say they love me. I don't know how long, how much. Yeah. But I believe you anyway. Because I love you 100%. So no matter how much you love me, it's still 100%. Yeah? Or more, yeah? Okay, I love you 100%. So if you love me 20%, then we have 120%. Isn't that great? Yeah? Okay.
Okay. My question is, the 5 holy names that we always pray to. Besides that 5, do we have other names?
No. There was 5 regions of consciousness, and each holy name is the king of that region. And without them, you could not go past to another kingdom. And then you can reach the 5th. Yeah? Okay. So you always have to remember them in case when you die, everybody knows you belong to one of those. Yeah? That you don't go.
Thank you, Master.
Next one, Hong Edmonton, Canada. Wow, she had 3, 4, 5 questions, right? You. Whew, okay. Oh, you.
Hi, Master, I love you.
I love you too.
100%.
100%. Let's do 100. Very nice.
Master, first I want to update you the information that the flooding relief work in South Alberta, Canada.
Did the Foreign Office send any financial help?
Yes. Actually, they sent $20,000 to us, and then we used $11,000, and then we returned back.
Yeah, return what you don't need.
Yeah, and then also the initiatives contributed about $3,000.
Understand. If that's enough, it's fine. Yeah. Okay.
This flooding is the worst ever happened in South Province of Alberta.
Yeah.
And then 100,000 people were evacuated.
Oh, there are many places, like that.
And then 4 people died.
Oh, sorry.
And it's 28 communities or cities or towns were flooded. And then one of the highlights in the event this time is the volunteers. So there are totally about many thousand volunteers working in the evacuation center. So then what I want to say is that the people's conscious level is obviously elevated.
Mm. Before they didn't come to help ever?
Not that much.
Okay.
So then when we deliver the supplies and the food to the people, and then many people ask us to say thank you for your love and your donations.
Okay, you're welcome.
And then following that is my question. A different question from this. Some people can meditate overnight, every day,
Yeah.
and then during the daytime they can still do their daily
Work.
job.
Yeah.
So then that's so good. So then I believe that I'm one of the people. Many people want to do the same, like meditate overnight every day, and still do the same job.
Yeah.
So then, what can we do to have that ability? Or
You ask those people who sit on I just lay down and sleep. I told you, I lie stretch. Yeah. And I sleep.
so after meditation, I feel refreshed, and then after sleeping, I feel re-energized too. So I was just wondering, except the spiritual credit, what is the difference? Something more that we may not know.
You ask the people who you admire, yeah?
Okay.
See whether they sit or they
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Master.
well, at least you try, huh? At least they try. I saw some people who also sit all night, but oh well, they have changed somewhat, but I don't know. It depends, yeah. Probably it helps, yes.
Yeah. Actually, I tried many times. Then I can meditate overnight for a few days, a week,
And then what happened?
and then in the daytime it's tired.
Okay. Then you try to not to do it all at once. Yeah, maybe tonight you meditate 3 hours extra, yeah, or 2 hours extra, as much as you can. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, Master.
Everybody has different body function, body, I would say, structure, and level, and mind, and physical stamina, and job also. Okay. Some people work very hard in the daytime, so at nighttime they find it difficult to not to, sleep. And so it depends, yeah. You try your best only, yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Master.
There is no competition, huh? Yeah, you do as much as you can, because if you're not used to it and you try so hard, in the daytime you cannot work, then you ruin your job. And somebody rely on you for that job, okay? Like customers, boss, family members, yeah? And you have to have a good quality for your job, okay? So you do only what you can, and slowly, huh? Maybe today have 1 hour extra more, tomorrow 1 hour, 15 minutes, and next day if you feel you're not so tired, then continue that for a while and then increase just 1-2 minutes at a time. Or 5 minutes, 10 minutes at a time, okay?
Yes. Yes. Thank you, Master.
You're welcome.
Second question.
Third. Okay, second. The first one was a thank you for your love and donation. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
What kind of a social or the political system or the constitution system is best suitable for the golden age? Because I'm not satisfied with any political systems in the world right now.
Oh.
Even the Western world democratic system is a kind of a police country. So I think the world needs some directions.
Whom should I direct? I will talk to your Prime Minister or President Obama, tell him, here, look this, do that, do this. Do you think I could do that? It's not the political system only, it's the bad karma, the collective bad karma of the people, huh? Everybody have to grow up, huh? And then the system will change. You see, China has changed a lot. Vietnam has changed a lot. Yeah, many countries changed a lot. All the Europeans become united. They used to fight and kill each other before, just some 10 years ago. And now they are friends. They use one single currency. They have one single parliament. One president take turn every 6 months. That is a miracle. Understand? These used to be enemies. The European countries used to fight each other. And the American also fight the European to liberate some country. Now they're also Americans, also friends with the European. Yeah, maybe not friends like you and I, but they don't fight each other. Okay, they don't kill each other anymore. Understand now? Very good things happening, and Sri Lanka also don't fight, don't kill each other anymore. Oh, I could go on and on. Vietnam also don't fight anymore. Yeah. African, South Sudan, and North Sudan is still a little scratchy, but not so bad. And Ivory Coast, many countries. Palestine with Israel. They're talking again. Yes, but better than fighting, no? Just take European, yeah. They become a union. Understand? They used to be enemies. Okay. So look at this progress. It's slow and not as perfect as we want, but it's getting better, huh? So many countries, many war-torn countries before has become peaceful and rebuilding their country, yeah? Okay? If only they became all vegan, then peace will be okay, quick. But like this, it is slow. Okay. Yeah. Anything else? Oh, there's also a constitutional system. That would be like heaven, huh? Yeah. Okay, like maybe just one system. Or maybe at least one group system. Like one Central Americas and South America system. And one United States of America system. And one European system. One African union system, then it would be maybe better. Or the whole world, one system. Yes. But that will be a little bit difficult for the egos, for many of the egos, to give up their power. Yeah? Okay. But we could do that, you know? We could do that. Could do that. Like European Union, take turn to be president. Yeah, nobody fight, nobody had to vote. It costs a lot of money and time, a lot of fighting. Not fighting, but verbally abuse each other. Oh, he's bad, I'm good. And that one say, I'm good, he's bad. You know? It doesn't have to be that way. It costs a lot of money every time there's any election anywhere. Yeah, in America, in France, anywhere when there's an election. Costs a lot of money and time. And some people happy, some people sad, yeah? Winner happy, loser sad. And friends became enemies because of different parties, you know? Not outright enemy, like fighting, killing each other, but inside you feel hurt, you know, and always trying to find opportunity to revenge somehow, yeah? Therefore, it's a mess sometimes. Oh, this one sue that one sue this one again sue the other one for corruption, for bribery, for whatever reason, or nothing at all. You know, sometimes just framing each other to feel good. Yeah, just to make trouble for that person, at least for a while, until he clears his name. That's the trouble. Yeah. Okay, any more? I don't think golden age. Yeah. Yeah. We are not perfect, of course, yeah? So suppose we have a very perfect government system. Do you think the world people will also become perfect? That's the thing. Yes or no? No, eh? Yeah. You see, we get what we deserve. That's another thing, to be fair. Nah? We can't always complain about the government or the system. This is a good as it is, and then it will improve. But of course, it would be better if the leaders themselves try at least to be a better example. Okay? And then he or she might inspire the whole nation to become better. But most leaders are also very, very, confused by words, events, and also by their advisors around. Huh? Yeah. A president also is as good as his advisor. And if he happened to have good advisor, then he's became a good president. Good advisors are hard to find. Yes, that's why you see some president run into trouble. Some prime minister run into trouble because they trust this and that person, and then this and that person in turn, became corrupted or something like that, and then it give bad impression on the prime minister or president, etc., etc. It's very difficult. It's also because of collective bad karma. Yeah, I know. The police country, yeah, I know. I don't like it at all. You're not the only one. I don't like it when I see the police using force, sometimes brutal, to disperse the protesters somewhere, anywhere, even in a so-called democratic country. So brutal, spraying pepper spray on the direct on the eyes, on the face of the people who just sit there and chain themselves together. That's not democratic. That's very cruel. It's inhumane. And I don't know what country that don't use this type of things. Maybe not directly in the face like that, but they do spray tear gas, or that does make people sick. Not just tearing down, but affect their system. Also, some people die because of that. We pay a lot of tax so that the government can keep the police, and the police sometimes so brutal to the ones that keep them in the office. The ones who pay them, the taxpayers. I am also not happy like you are. But what can we do? It's a collective bad karma of the people. All we can do is just, pray, meditate more, and spread the positive news, and then hoping more and more people join the, at least vegan, or, practice some meditation, be good. Then the atmosphere of the world will change. And then the government will change. Otherwise, we cannot change it. Any revolution sometimes make it more bloody than before, and then make it worse than before, and paralyze the country too. Like, for example, Egypt and other countries, they still not settle down after revolution. Some have more bloodshed than before. Because the one in power, once they're in power, they forget about their underling. Huh? I forgot. Just forget. This is too easy to order, Go shoot them, go stop them, go separate them, do something to suppress them. I don't want to see that. It's bad for the camera, bad for TV reputation. So they just hurry to oppress people, try to disperse the crowd so that they have better reputation instead of negotiate, dialogue. This is a problem, okay? I really hate it so much when I see on TV that the police treat people like a block of wood, not even like animals. We don't beat the animals like that. Huh? We don't kick the animals on the ground and cuff them hand and foot and drag them until they broke their arms or bleed their knees or bang their head bleeding like that. I don't think it's just dispersing people. I can feel the hatred, the hateful treatment of their citizens. And that's what I hate. It's not just doing their duty. I feel the hatred. I feel the abuse of power of the police force. And that's what I don't like. I never liked it. So what you ask, I also ask myself, how come this world is like that? I also ask myself. And I can only pray so that one day everybody became better, including the police and the government. So that people are free to live in dignity like a human, okay? And can freely voice what they want to voice. And the government should listen. Right or wrong, they should listen. Not using force to oppress your own people. Weak people who has no nothing to defend himself. Have no gun, no tear gas, even nothing. So I don't like it as much as you. Okay? We just have to be patient. What can we do? Mostly every country are like this. If they have power, they oppress people. You can see every day on TV. Huh? Any more questions?
That's all my question.
Oh.
Thank you, Master.
Welcome. Who is the person here? Chim Chang with a sitting sleep? No, sitting. He say no. He says living, standing, sitting, sleep in Zen, not sitting sleep. Sorry, I read all the last words. Who is that sitting, standing, talking, eating Zen? Nobody? Maybe he's sitting behind there and sleeping. You go check out. If he's upstairs, he can come down. Maybe he's sleeping, then let him, okay? I don't want to wake a Zen Buddha. How should I practice? This is his question. How should I practice to attain pure and perfect wisdom? Wow, sound like a dream. And practice it in daily life just as living, standing, sitting, sleep in Zen. Probably there are a couple of things you can do easy, like living Zen, okay. Standing Zen, maybe okay. And sleeping Zen, okay. Sitting, difficult. Sitting in Zen, difficult. As soon as you sit, you might be sleeping. So, okay. Probably he's scared of his own question. Or maybe sometimes when you wrote down the question, you already have an answer. So he no need to ask me. I told you already, just write out very clearly, and then the answer come. Yeah? If you couldn't get it clearly, then you write out your question very clearly, as if a 5-year-old kid would understand it. Then you get the answer. Okay, who is the poem Lily? Taipei. Excuse me. Oh, I have running nose, guys. Sorry, okay? I think I have sympathetic response to all of you. You're sick, right? Yes. Some of you, huh? And when we talk too close, I think you are very generously share some of your bacteria, virus. Sure.
师傅 I love you.
Love you too.
我是大陆同修，然后那个我第一次这么近距离的见到您，我很高兴。那个地球救下来了，然后对地球上的每一个众生都是一件高兴的事情。然后我们作为同修，然后我们怎么样在灵性方面，然后得到更高级的提升，然后怎么样成为您真正的徒弟，然后就是不至于在修行方面变得比较懈怠或者松散，然后还有就是希望这次见到您回去之后怎么样能把这个力量很好的保有下去，然后回去之后不至于受到否定力量的影响，从而那个等级掉下去。
OK，
好，谢谢师父。
不客气。
I love you。
继续打坐嘛 ，OK。
好。
跟同修常联络，不要一个人丢，然后跑出来单独的，也比较好掉 ，OK。
好，谢谢
跟大家一起修行，所以才要共修 ，OK。
好。
然后你才慢慢进步，然后你会得到越来越高的境界，然后你就不会退步了 ，OK。
好，谢谢师父。
然后你就可以回去了。另外一个呢？然后呢？
没有师父，我爱你。
I love you too。
大家都爱你。
Yeah，
然后我写这首诗，
这个就是吗？
对，只是表达我对您的爱，还有，大家那个同修，每个人对您的爱。
好，你怎么知道他们爱我？他们有没有讲？
一定是的。
你们有没有爱我？
没问题。
OK， 好了，那我相信你。说了要念出来吗？我这样看就好了。
我也忘了。
你要讲英文吗？
我不会讲英文。
啊，那我替你念了 poem devoted to dear master. I don't know who that is. Maybe one of those around here. My heart is toward the sun, immensely bright. My heart is toward the moon, immensely tender. Master, you are the sun, immensely bright. Master, you are the moon, immensely tender. Very nice. Very rhyme, huh? Yes. We respect you. We are brave because of you. We are blessed because of you. Our life is full of love because of you. Really, your disciple from Taipei. That's also belong to the poem. Thank you. Thank you. 好听，谢谢。有问题吗？我是这样而已。
没有啊。
Thank you.
因为我平常都有在写那个修行心得，还有平常也常常在写一些小诗。
哦，好好，
对，
好美 ，Thank you。Okay. Yeah, very good, huh? Yes. Everybody happy, yeah? I'm very sorry that recently I don't have so much time like before. That every day I cannot just come all day with you or all night with you again. I have limited time. Not just because I have to meditate at home to continue to keep the balance, yeah? For the world and for me and for the universe, but also because I have to take care of myself. Yes, there are forces that seek to make trouble for the people who like to help, yeah, the world, and you know that, yeah? So I have to check out what time I come, what time I go. I'm not free like you are. I'm like in prison. But I don't feel like I am in prison. I just need to know when to go, when to come. And therefore I cannot always see you the way I want it and the way you wish, yeah? I'm very sorry, but better than nothing, all right? Yes, Master. I really am sorry. Yes, Master. Yes. Thank you, Master. Thank you for your understanding. Like today, of course I meditated also, but I sense your longing, and I'm also very, very anxious to come, you know, to see you. Every hour I ask again, can I go now? And 2 hours again, yeah, I meditate a lot already, can I just go? No. It's like that, so please forgive me, yeah? And love me all the same, yeah? Yes. Because I love you all the same, yeah. Even I see you a little or I see you a lot, and love is the same. It's compact, yeah? It's wholesale. And so sometimes I left the kitchen there in a mess, or I left the kitchen at home in a mess also because I had to run, huh? Yeah. You okay? Good food, everything? All right? You feel like a holiday, right? Yeah. Don't worry about anything else, just enjoy. Yeah. Thank you very much. Enjoy whatever, yeah? Yeah. You're welcome. You're welcome. And you meditate better this time? Yes. Yes. Maybe the soup. No? Feel better? Yes? Okay. You feel more elated, right? More easy to meditate. When I pass by at night, sometimes when I stay late at night, I pass by, so not a lot to do in this type of thing. I don't know what kind of meditation that is, but but very few now. Before, a lot of different kind of meditation. Some are like this, some are like that, some are like this. So nowadays, it's almost like one type of meditation, you know. Yeah. Or maybe they know I'm coming, I don't know. Like they have a system, you know, whispering to each other. The back, whisper to the front continue whisper. Master coming. Look busy. Sit straight, man. Don't lean on my shoulder. Get away. Don't make me, become like connected with you. In case Master scold you, I also share the problem with you. Maybe they have a system like that, I don't know. Just like at home, whenever something happens at the center, or if the center wants to give a message, you're like, one call one, and the other one call three, and three call six, six call 10, something like that, Maybe they have some wire or something, string hidden under their mat. And when I'm coming out, I hear the door clicking, They probably designate one person, always stay awake, or take turn to stay awake. Look at the door. Oh, Master, come in. Every string pulled. They attach all the string on the toe, And then one pulling everybody straight. Oh. Yeah. I saw they all sitting straight. I was wondering, how can it happen that I haven't seen this type of thing before? Before there are different type of meditation, But now almost like one uniform type. I'm happy, yeah. The type that I told you, but not the type that they invented, Yeah. Good. Congratulations. I'm going upstairs, yeah? See if anybody want to see me or not. Yeah, if they don't, I run back again. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoever don't have, take it later. Okay? Welcome home. How are you? All Chinese? No. How many Chinese? All of you. Can't believe it. Chinese Taiwan? China. 台湾一半。台湾。哇，大陆呢？哇。当然了，大家好吗？好，全部都是讲中文在这边哈。OK， 太好了。我那个王面的是掉，不是了，比较不是感冒，修行人也会感冒，怎么会？我总看到你们到现在没有最后一次的，去年嘛有没有？哎呀，从4月看你们到现在，从来没有感冒过的，不管哪一个天气的，去过冷的地方也去过，热的地方也去过，很多国家，总没有感冒，来这边就感了，这边就感冒了，为什么？要赶大家赶是吗？OK， 还好吗？好。你们看，越来越漂亮。哎呀，我尽量啊，尽量不是漂亮。好，不会啊，瘦吗？都是吃那个素的，吃汤的这样，不会啦，还好啦。瘦是比较舒服嘛 ，OK。瘦的话就觉得静静的啊。我胖了一点的时候，觉得走路不动。 那人小嘛，懂吗？哎，如果胖起来就变好像一个球一样，就不是走路要滚的。不过中国人比较喜欢胖哈，哎，有福报啊，有福报。不过我觉得我自己很有福报啊。呀，很多福报讲不完。我每天谢谢上帝啊。呀，因为有时候看到，比方说，有一些事情我们觉得不怎么样，不过我是很感恩的，因为我看电视啊，他们都广告那个什么，那个剪毛刀啊，给女孩子啊，哇，啊，广告的很厉害，说哦，你根本不用剪的啦，啊，不用刮了，不用剃了，跟剃度一样的剃，不用剃，不用刮哈。我们这边有那个胶哈，把它擦一擦，然后就哇，看那个女孩子笑笑的。不过我跟你讲啊，如果你 zoom 那个样，不可能是笑的了。大概他给他麻药或是什么，说没感觉，所以笑的很假的，懂吗？不然的话 zoom 好以后才笑的，这种。所以我谢谢上帝没有给我那么多，那么多要zoom 那个，哦，太好了，懂吗？哎，然后还有广告那些东西，在这个地方有没有？也要zoom 这边每天2、3天要zoom。哦，我本来不知道有这种情况呢。呀，我认为只有男孩子才那么痛苦，每天要挂这边挂那边，有没有？女孩子也这么多，哦，看起来可像那个猴子那个，哦，然后这边有这么长，懂吗？然后他们弄那么简单了，擦一擦，挂一挂就没有了，很骄傲啊，弄出来给大家看。然后还说哇，我现在觉得我就是一个美女。原来没有毛就是美女啊。说我也感激上帝了哈。所以你们有时候说师傅是很美，我觉得对了，因为因为一他们标准的话，我真的刮完以后到处都空空了，就觉得哇，就是一个美人。我根本不用刮的，别是说我是美人，对了，自然美，natural beauty。啊，有时候我们不觉得怎么样，不过看到女孩子，别的女孩子好痛苦啊，懂不懂？哦，不管怎么样，竖起来哇，红红的一块的，不然的话又刮的。然后有的广告说挂一次就28天不用再挂，不可能的哈，不可能。那男孩子每一天要挂，第2天就已经出来了，这样冒芽出来有没有？第2天不挂的话会冒出来，这怎么能够嘛？然后越挂它越多了，听说了有没有啊？所以就蛮不错，我是很有福报，工作不用那么多了啊，不然孩子那么多，然后在那边挂，怎么有空呢？挂这边然后挂那边，后面怎么挂呢？然后不可能每个28天都去跑给人家顾，给人家看你自己呢所有的地方呢，Oh my God！ 本来我可怜男孩子，懂吗？我说哦还好了，男孩子本来我就觉得男孩子蛮舒服嘛，用不用？懂不懂？不用打扮啊，不用高跟鞋已经很高了，懂不懂？哎呀，然后不用打扮也是，人家也说好看，有没有？英俊什么的哈，我们女孩子要打这边打那边才好一点哈。30岁以后就要打了，我是属于那一对了 ，OK。然后我就觉得啊，当男孩子好舒服哦。不过可怜他们了，懂不懂？就是每天要挂这样子。我认为就好苦啊，懂吗？挂就一定会不舒服啊，哈，痒痒的懂，然后还铺什么东西上去，我拉了要死。 我觉得只有男孩子。后来看电视才知道啊，原来女孩子也是这么痛苦，啊，比他们还要痛苦。哎呀，男孩子他就挂这边而已，懂吗？女孩子全部都要挂。哦，何必呢？啊，有毛就让他讲，何必挂呢？不是比较温暖吗？啊，你们有没有问题？没有，有也不要讲，就不要。这位先生也不用知道了哈，默默做的 ，OK， 我也不用知道了，我问问而已。我知道你们会说没有的啦，有也说没有了 ，OK， 我也了解。哇，这痛苦啊！哇，那些美人啊，所谓的美人啊，那些模特哈，一定是美的，哇，挂了要命，奇怪哈。那如果有的话，就不用挂嘛。先生他不会看那个地方吧？啊，然后还要插什么东西的哦，广告一大堆。我最近才比较看电视啊，因为要看新闻嘛，看哪边有救灾什么，或是世界有什么事情，然后替他们祷告嘛，啊，看情况了啊。所以他们那个新闻一点点，然后那个发掘很多那种广告了，多数都是女孩子的东西，懂不懂？不是这边就是那一边，不是那边就是不是刮头发就是养头发，懂吗？哪一个洗发精比较好？哪个润发精比较好？哪一个干发精比较好？哪个卷发精比较好？哪一个怎么样抓发精比较好？哦，好多都是女孩子哦，我们女孩子真的很贵哦啊。懂吗？还有每个礼拜还要去什么烫头发、晒头发，什么一大堆的，是吗？我不去，我自己一个人弄，去很麻烦，要跟人家约好，懂吗？以前我不懂怎么弄，要去，现在不去了，我知道了，不要去了啊。还有这个呢，哈，还是女孩子啊，这个脸是很贵的哇，天天不同的润皮机什么啊，护皮机什么发皮机，哇，一大堆的，懂吗？不是这边皮就是这边皮，哦，皮也是很贵，头发也很贵，要头发的漂亮也很贵，要刮也很贵，该长的地方也蛮贵，不该长也是要刮，或是要去那个 zoom 那个，很贵。Oh my god！很少看到男孩子有什么广告是吗？有啦，就是 Internet new 什么新的iPad iPhone什么一大堆 i 了，然后就是平常的这样，他们就爱玩那些机器，然后女孩子的话，哇，天天挂这边挂那边走。今天新的出来，后天新的出来，好多样的东西，不晓得谁买那么多。不过他们都很赚钱了，那些美容院啊、美容助产那些美容的那个东西，很有钱，非常非常有钱啊。那所以你们如果没钱的话，就可以加入他们那些团体，赚钱很多，懂吗？是吗？有没有人做美容啊？有没有人做那个 zoom 那个给人家？美容院他们都有做啊，是吗？额外的 ，OK。所以我们每天的话有很多理由可以谢谢上帝的。我每天有很多理由谢谢上帝。我住山洞，我觉得很舒服，我也谢谢上帝，有给我那么好的一个地方，机会可以有一个山洞，这么舒服啊。那外面有树有木有草有花，我也很谢谢上帝，能给我那么漂亮的一个地方啊。然后我看我自己脸说，哇，谢谢你给我那么美的一个脸。原来是那些卖镜子的人，他们很聪明，他把镜子弄怎么样？你看怎么样都美的，他永久不老的呢，看不到皱纹呢。 我就应该用那个什么放大镜的，我就看清楚是不是对的。原来是有啊。不过如果他们卖镜子啊，卖那种镜子那么真相的话，大概女孩子不会买的啦。我那些镜子都奇怪，越看越漂亮。难怪以前有那个皇后有没有，跟那个白水公主有没有啊？那个她的继母一天到晚问那个镜子，啊，我是不是最漂亮的啊？当然那个镜子也蛮聪明，那个时候已经很聪明了，说是的，是的。我那个镜子哈，在那个浴室里面，他不会讲话了，所以我不用问他。不过他默默的回答，每天他让我觉得哇，好年轻啊，好美，懂不懂？就外面不一样啊，镜子它真的它会弄很细啊，给人家皱纹看不出来啊。哇，谁都要我们钱的，懂不懂？啊，特别女孩子的，啊。可怜那些先生哈，可怜。所以这个时代，女孩子也要出去工作，有没有啊？为了花在那些地方，zoom 那个地方。不过，东方比较小这些哈，东方比较不用花在那个地方哈，那我们很有福报了。OK， 有没有什么额外的问题啊？你是不是冷啊？冷气哈留着。你们坐在冷气下面的话，要抱头就可以，没关系啊。难怪有一些人以前在上面包一包，我认为生病。不包的话，等一下生病了。我本来也没什么病啊，奇怪，怎么就突然就这样？不过大家好哈。好。不过你们进来，你不懂我讲什么，没有生病啊。吃汤的好吗？喝汤好吗？好。静静的哈。哎呀 ，OK， 行了哈，没问题的话，我就出去就去外面打坐，一起 ，OK。看着我先，来，来。
Please tune in to the next session of this international gathering with Supreme Master Ching Hai and our association members. To be notified when a new session is available, subscribe to Supreme Master Television's newsletter at www.suprememastertv.com/newsletter.
Supreme Master Ching Hai's lectures are not a complete meditation instruction. Please do not try alone. For a free of charge guidance, please visit www.godsdirectcontact.org or contact any of our centers near you.
Be vegan. Make peace. For more details, please visit www.suprememastertv.com.